Alright everybody, we are getting hail. Look at these trees here. We're getting action. We're going to put the clothes to, in case the windshield will bust or something. Wow, we're pretty good size now. No, don't switch one on, please. I'm just get shot at. We gotta go slow. We better go really slow if we can. Oh my gosh. You won't believe how loud it is. Dude, man, I hope there's not a tornado in the center of this. The winds are switching. There could be a tornado, everybody. Winds are changing. We're getting RFD winds going in. Now I'm probably getting worried now. Look at these trees. Ooh. Your car's even moving.
Yes, it is.
I am worried. We better not. Man, this could be a rain wrap tornado.